This is no ordinary trip. This is a voyage of discovery into South Africa's sensationally well-kept secret on the East Coast, historic home of the Zulu nation, KwaZulu-Natal. Flying via Johannesburg with South African Airways or via Dubai with Emirates gives you your first taste of the luxury to come, with fine food and wine and the warmest welcome. Arrive into King Shaka International Airport, just 25 minutes north of Durban, refreshed and ready to discover this exceptional and diverse province. Durban offers a wonderful start to your adventure, with township tours giving you a real insight into the way life is lived in this vibrant city. Colorful markets draw the traveler in, and everywhere you'll see the influence of the important Indian community. One of the wonders of Durban is that you can enjoy the city vibe with sand between your toes. Picture-perfect beaches, washed by the warm waters of the Indian Ocean, offer everything from cycling to boogie boarding, with great restaurants and bars to relax in afterwards. Families will just love Ushaka Marine World, while nothing thrills an adrenaline junkie like a bungee jump. Away from the city, rural KwaZulu-Natal with its picturesque farmland offers a different pace of life altogether. Stroll around craft shops, visit local artisans with a warm welcome wherever you go. Designated a World Heritage Site, the Ukahlamba Drakensberg Park is truly a wonder, with rugged mountains, stunning scenery, fascinating history, and even the highest pub in Africa. From hiking to golf, there are so many ways to explore and enjoy the sensational landscape. As for the region's historic battlefields, you won't just visit them, you'll have the past brought to life by historians and guides and their tales of the famous Zulu and Anglo-Boer battles. Of course, there's time to enjoy the environment in your own way too. In the heartland of the Zulu nation, Zululand, immerse yourself in this most colorful of cultures, completely mesmerizing. The thrill of Big Five game viewing can be found in Hluhluwe Umfolozi National Park or one of the private game reserves. And so to Elephant Coast, home to South Africa's first World Heritage Site, the Isimangalisa Wetland Park. On land, game drives bring you up close to the incredible wildlife. Whilst in the tropical waters, a diver's paradise is home to whales, turtles, and the world's oldest fish. Our final destination, the North Coast, couldn't be more different again, with its beautiful beach resorts and the largest shopping mall in the Southern Hemisphere. The incredible diversity of this astonishing region will leave you with a treasure trove of memories, an overall feeling that's just wow, and one simple desire: to return.